Climate change is one of the greatest environmental challenges confronting humanity in the 21st century. It refers to long-term changes in Earth's climate system, including rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, increasing frequency of extreme weather events, and shifts in seasonal cycles. While the Earth's climate has naturally changed throughout history, the current rate of climate change is unprecedented and is primarily driven by human activities. The rapid increase in greenhouse gas emissions since the Industrial Revolution has significantly altered the Earth's atmosphere, leading to global warming and widespread environmental, social, and economic impacts. Understanding the causes, consequences, and possible solutions to climate change is essential for ensuring a sustainable future for present and future generations. What is climate change? Climate change refers to significant and long-lasting changes in average weather conditions over decades or even centuries. These changes may include increases or decreases in average temperatures, variations in rainfall, stronger storms, prolonged droughts, rising sea levels, and shifts in ecosystems. Although natural factors such as volcanic eruptions and changes in solar radiation have influenced Earth's climate in the past, scientific evidence confirms that today's climate change is mainly caused by human activities that increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Climate change affects every region of the world, disrupting ecosystems, threatening biodiversity, reducing agricultural productivity, and creating new challenges for human health, water security, and economic development. It is therefore considered a global issue requiring international cooperation and collective action. Causes of climate change. Climate change results from both natural processes and human-induced activities. However, the present rapid warming of the Earth is overwhelmingly attributed to anthropogenic, human-caused factors. 1. Greenhouse gas emissions. The primary cause of modern climate change is the excessive emission of greenhouse gases, GHGs. These gases trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere through a process known as the greenhouse effect. While the greenhouse effect is essential for maintaining a habitable temperature on Earth, excessive greenhouse gases intensify this effect, causing global warming. The major greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, nitrous oxide, N2O, fluorinated gases. The largest sources of these gases include burning fossil fuels, industrial production, transportation, agriculture, and waste management. Burning fossil fuels. The combustion of coal, petroleum, and natural gas for electricity generation, transportation, manufacturing, and heating releases enormous amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Countries with large industrial sectors and rapidly growing economies contribute significantly to global emissions. Power plants, automobiles, airplanes, and factories remain among the largest contributors to atmospheric CO2. Agriculture. Agricultural activities contribute substantially to greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock such as cattle and sheep produce methane during digestion, while excessive application of nitrogen-based fertilizers releases nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. Rice cultivation also generates methane due to anaerobic decomposition in flooded fields. Deforestation. Forests play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. When forests are cut down for agriculture, urban expansion, or commercial logging, not only is this carbon absorption reduced, but the stored carbon is also released into the atmosphere. Consequently, deforestation significantly accelerates global warming. 2. Industrialization and urbanization. The rapid expansion of industries and urban centers has dramatically increased energy consumption worldwide. Manufacturing industries, cement production, mining activities, and large-scale construction projects emit significant quantities of greenhouse gases. Urbanization also contributes to climate change through increased transportation, electricity demand, waste generation, and the development of heat islands, where cities experience much higher temperatures than surrounding rural areas due to extensive concrete infrastructure and limited vegetation. 3. Land use changes. Changing natural landscapes into agricultural fields, residential areas, roads, and industrial zones disrupts the Earth's natural carbon cycle. Wetlands, forests and grasslands that previously stored carbon are replaced with land uses that absorb much less carbon while generating additional emissions. These changes also reduce biodiversity, alter water cycles, and increase surface temperatures. 4. Natural factors. Natural events such as volcanic eruptions, changes in solar radiation, and variations in ocean currents can influence Earth's climate. Volcanic eruptions may temporarily cool the Earth by releasing particles that block sunlight, while ocean phenomena like El Niño affect global weather patterns. However, scientific research indicates that these natural factors cannot explain the rapid warming observed during the past century. Human activities remain the dominant cause of current climate change. Consequences of climate change. Climate change has far-reaching impacts on the environment, human society, and the global economy. 1. Environmental impacts. Rising global temperatures. One of the most visible consequences of climate change is the continuous increase in average global temperatures. Higher temperatures contribute to prolonged heat waves, increased evaporation, desertification, and changes in weather patterns across the globe. Melting glaciers and polar ice. Rising temperatures are causing glaciers and polar ice sheets to melt at an alarming rate. Greenland and Antarctica are losing billions of tons of ice every year, contributing directly to rising sea levels. As sea levels continue to rise, low-lying coastal regions and island nations face an increased risk of flooding, erosion, and permanent displacement. Changing rainfall patterns. Climate change has altered precipitation patterns around the world. Some regions experience prolonged droughts and water shortages, while others suffer from excessive rainfall, flooding, and landslides. These changes threaten agriculture, drinking water supplies, and hydroelectric power generation. Loss of biodiversity. Many plant and animal species cannot adapt quickly enough to rapidly changing environmental conditions. Habitat destruction, changing temperatures, and altered migration patterns threaten biodiversity worldwide. Coral reefs, Arctic ecosystems, and tropical forests are among the most vulnerable ecosystems. 2. Human health impacts. Climate change directly and indirectly affects human health. Higher temperatures increase cases of heat exhaustion, heat stroke, and heat-related deaths, particularly among elderly populations. Changing climate conditions also allow disease-carrying insects such as mosquitoes to expand into new regions, increasing the spread of diseases including malaria, dengue fever, and chikungunya. Food insecurity caused by crop failures and water scarcity contributes to malnutrition, while poor air quality resulting from wildfires and pollution increases respiratory illnesses. 3. Economic consequences. Climate change imposes enormous economic costs on governments, businesses, and communities. Extreme weather events such as hurricanes, floods, storms, droughts, and wildfires damage infrastructure, transportation systems, homes, and industries. Agricultural productivity declines due to changing weather conditions, affecting farmers' incomes and increasing food prices. Fisheries are also impacted by warming oceans and changing marine ecosystems. Governments must invest substantial resources in disaster relief, healthcare, rebuilding infrastructure, and climate adaptation programs. 4. Social and political impacts. Climate change increasingly contributes to social instability. Millions of people living in coastal regions and drought-prone areas are forced to migrate because of sea level rise, floods, and declining agricultural productivity. These displaced populations are often referred to as climate refugees. Competition for scarce resources such as water, food, and arable land may increase tensions between communities and even nations. Climate change also widens social inequalities because vulnerable populations, including low-income communities and developing countries, often suffer the greatest impacts despite contributing the least to greenhouse gas emissions. Mitigation and adaptation strategies. Addressing climate change requires a combination of mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and limit future climate change, while adaptation focuses on preparing societies to cope with unavoidable climate impacts. Mitigation strategies. Transition to renewable energy. Replacing fossil fuels with renewable energy sources such as solar power, wind energy, hydroelectric power, and geothermal energy significantly reduces carbon emissions while providing sustainable energy. Improving energy efficiency. Energy-efficient buildings, vehicles, industries, and appliances reduce energy consumption without sacrificing productivity or comfort. Improved public transportation and electric vehicles also contribute to emission reductions. Afforestation and reforestation. Planting new forests and restoring degraded forests increase carbon sequestration by absorbing atmospheric carbon dioxide. Forest conservation also protects biodiversity and water resources. Sustainable agriculture. Modern agricultural practices such as precision farming, efficient fertilizer use, conservation agriculture, and improved livestock management help reduce methane and nitrous oxide emissions while maintaining food production. Adaptation strategies. Climate-resilient infrastructure. Governments should design roads, bridges, buildings, and drainage systems capable of withstanding floods, storms, heat waves, and other climate-related hazards. Water resource management. Efficient irrigation systems, rainwater harvesting, wastewater recycling, and water conservation programs help communities adapt to increasing drought conditions. Early warning systems. Advanced weather forecasting and disaster warning systems enable communities to prepare for cyclones, floods, heat waves, and other extreme weather events, reducing loss of life and property. Community preparedness. Public awareness campaigns, disaster preparedness training, sustainable livelihood programs, and climate education improve the resilience of vulnerable populations. Conclusion. Climate change is one of the most pressing global challenges of our time, affecting every aspect of human life and the natural environment. Driven primarily by greenhouse gas emissions, industrialization, urbanization, deforestation, and unsustainable land use practices, climate change has resulted in rising temperatures, melting glaciers, sea level rise, biodiversity loss, extreme weather events, and widespread social and economic consequences. Addressing this crisis requires a comprehensive approach that combines mitigation measures to reduce greenhouse gas emissions with adaptation strategies that strengthen resilience against unavoidable impacts. Governments, international organizations, scientists, industries, communities, and individuals all have important roles to play in combating climate change. Through sustainable development, technological innovation, environmental conservation, responsible resource management, and global cooperation, humanity can reduce the severity of climate change and build a more resilient, sustainable, and environmentally secure future for generations to come.